Today we take you inside one of the world's most advanced and fully modern Leopard-style leather factories, where ethical synthetic materials are transformed into luxury leather products with extreme precision and high-tech engineering. From the moment raw pattern sheets arrive to the final packaging of premium fashion items, every part of this facility is designed for accuracy, cleanliness, and efficiency. The process begins at the factory intake bay, where temperature-controlled delivery trucks bring sealed batches of synthetic leopard pattern raw sheets. Each sheet is immediately scanned, tagged, and analyzed for thickness, color uniformity, moisture balance, and surface texture. Robotic arms lift the material and gently place it onto the primary conveyor, pushing it forward into the cleaning and preparation zone. This is where the journey truly begins. As the sheets enter the first dry cleaning tunnel, rotating microfiber brushes glide across their surface, removing dust and loose debris. Directional air jets blow away microscopic particles, leaving the material visibly smoother and cleaner. This dry cleaning step prepares the sheets for the wet cleaning phase, ensuring no impurities interfere with the washing formulation. Next, the sheets move into a stainless steel wash chamber for the first water wash. High-pressure filtered water jets spray across the surface, while soft enzyme foam helps lift deeper residues. Multi-direction brushes gently scrub the material as it moves through the chamber. UV sterilization lamps complete the cycle by eliminating any remaining contaminants. When the sheets exit this wash tunnel, they are fully sanitized, refreshed, and ready for detailed scanning. In the thermal scanning arc, high-performance sensors evaluate every part of the material. Temperature alignment, moisture levels, pattern accuracy, thickness quality, and color depth are analyzed instantly. Robotic sorters automatically separate any sheet that does not meet factory standards. Only the highest purity material continues forward. Approved sheets enter large rotating hydration drums where softening oils, fiber conditioners, and moisture boosters are evenly applied. This step deeply nourishes the synthetic fibers, giving the material flexibility, smoothness, and the soft, luxurious touch needed for premium handbags, jackets, and accessories. The drums rotate slowly, ensuring even absorption. When the sheets leave this unit, they are significantly softer and more pliable,